Hi, Brandon Hardison, President of Champion Strategies, but also glad to be a member of the Shop Smart Auto team, giving you, the consumers, the best information that we can. So when it's time for you to go make that vehicle investment, and remember, still according to some statistics today, this is going to be the largest purchase you're going to make outside your home or condo. So, with the tools that you have now, if you do your research and you're really cognizant about the dealership in your area, even if it's not in your area, if they do have some type of digital arm where they can deliver the vehicle without showing up, you're still in good shape. And if they offer the same thing in service after the sale, that's even better yet. But let's unpack what we got for today and let's talk about it. We were talking about organizations that are changing the future, organizations that you're going to see change because of this new normal, this new way of how you, the consumer, want to buy. So speaking of that, let's talk about Best Buy. Don't know if you remember or not, but about 7 years ago, people thought that Best Buy would be destroyed by Amazon. Best Buy CEO told attendees at an event, a summit, that, the numbers don't lie if you just look at the numbers, but the brand has seen, talking about Best Buy, the brand has seen continuous increase in total revenues over the recent years. So my thing is that we can deal with this. And so what's Best Buy's secret? According to their CEO, get this now, the company always consistently matches the pricing of Amazon. They do it fast as Amazon, and the delivery is free. So if we can come up with some processes where we can compete with the big boys, even an organization like Best Buy says that, hey, by adding some consumer friendly inputs to it at the touch points, we'll be in great shape. And they were. They did some digitalization, and by digitizing some things, it made Best Buy one of the greatest companies that are out there in that space, which saves a lot of time and frustration for customers if they can do everything online. They even transformed their marketing using a heavy customer database and finding ways with analytics to target, because analytics allow them to do these things. So now that they're competing with Amazon and they're still there and doesn't look like they're going anywhere from now, let's bring it back to your dealership. I gave you an example. So why not find a dealership that you know that does the same thing? Innovative, creative, timing, making sure we do those extra little things to help out our guests. So if we can find a dealership that is customer centric and they believe in making sure that we want to sell and service your vehicle, and they happen to have something where you do not have to come into the dealership, but can do every aspect right online. Sure, you may have to take some pictures or videos of your trade if you do have one, but you'll come up to an agreement with that. Sure, financing may be difficult depending on the credit score and other situations, but it can be done all secured, and you don't step 1 inch across the threshold of a dealership. If that's what you're looking for, if that's what makes you comfortable, please find a dealer group in your community that offers that. If they do not offer that, there's groups outside of your market area around the country that have been doing this before the coronavirus. So they have it down packed, not only just for sales, but service also. So find those dealerships out where they're thinking about you, the consumer, because if we do not keep the consumer in the center of everything that's going on and get you to want to come back, get you to want to tell your friends, your family members, then that dealership, I would say, is not going to be around too long. Hope you got something out of this piece here. We'll be back again with another installment for ShopSmart Autos. Once again, Brandon Hardison, President of Champion Strategies, as always, imparting. Go out and make